Let's unbox the JC Power RP65MD 6.5-inch two-way coaxial speakers. Built for louder, cleaner, and more dynamic sound, these speakers deliver 500 watts peak power and 250 watts RMS per pair, making them an excellent upgrade for your factory audio system. They feature a 50mm aluminum dome tweeter with a neodymium magnet for crisp highs, a 110 Hz to 20 Hz frequency response for rich, balanced audio, and a durable 1.5-inch Kapton voice coil built to handle extended listening sessions. With 90 decibel sensitivity, a rugged paper cone, cloth surround, and steel frame, the RP65MD is engineered for reliable, high-output performance. Pair them with an amplifier to unlock their full potential. Get your JC Power RP65MD today at onlinecarstereo.com and upgrade the way you listen.